Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navneet Raj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Prepare NT and NET Exam Online Daily Classes. And today is day 14 and class 2 of communication. And we have already done 20 questions so far, so let's start. Question number 21. The process of communication runs through, your options are option A, a channel, option B, a sender, option C, a receiver, option D, all of these. So the process of communication runs through a channel, a sender as well as a receiver. So the correct answer is option D, all of these. Let's move to the next question. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a characteristic of TV? Your options are option A democratic medium, option B, a living room medium, option C, a medium of immediacy, option D, a mobile medium. So a mobile medium is not a characteristic of TV. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 23. Interpersonal communication occurs only when, your options are an individual converses with people they have no interest in knowing, option B, an individual interacts with another person as a unique individual, option C, intimate conversation takes place, option D, three or more people are communicating with each other at the same time. So the interpersonal communications occurs when an individual interacts with each other as a unique individual. So the correct answer is option B. Interpersonal communication occurs only when an individual interacts with another person as a unique individual. Let's move to the next question. Question number 24. The contents of a message in communication process may be, your options are option A, opinion, option B, data, option C, information, option D, all of these. So the content of the message in communication process may be opinion, data or information. So the correct answer is option D, all of these, opinion, data and information. Let's move to the next question. Question number 25. Which of the following is described in your text as a contextual factor that can impact effectiveness of communication in an organization? Your options are option A, technology, option B, organizational culture, option C, organizational structure, option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let's move to the next question. Question number 26. Characteristics of radio include, your options are a mobile medium, option B, a medium voice, option C, cheap and quick medium, option D, all of the above. So a mobile medium, a medium voice and cheap and quick medium, all are the characteristics of radio. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let's move to the next question. Question number 27. Grapevine communication means, options are option A, horizontal communication, option B, vertical communication, option C, formal communication, option D, informal communication. So grapevine communication is an informal communication. So the correct answer is option D, informal communication. Grapevine communication means informal communication. Let's move to the next question. Question number 28. The communication process involves, your options are option A, channel, option B, receiver, option C, sender, option D, all of the above. So the communication process involves all of the above, channel, receiver and sender. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 29. The message in communication should be, your options are option A, self-contradictory, option B, consistent, option C, opaque, option D, flawed. So the message in communication should be consistent. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 30. Dash is the flow of information and ideas from a subordinate to superior. Your options are option A, upward communication, option B, downward communication, option C, horizontal communication, option D, none of the above. See, yesterday we have discussed about downward communication when it comes from superior to subordinate, and today it is subordinate to superior. So the correct answer is option A, upward communication is the flow of information and ideas from a subordinate to superior. Let's move to the next question. Question number 31. Prasar Bharati is also known as. Your options are option A, Broadcasting Corporation of India, option B, Broadcasting Association of India, option C, Broadcasting Center of India, option D, Indian Broadcasting Authority. So the correct answer is option A, Broadcasting Corporation of India. Prasar Bharati is also known as Broadcasting Corporation of India. Let's move to the next question. Question number 32. A message can reach the audience through. Your options are a movie or a novel, option B, internet websites or an email, option C, a news item. So the message can be reached through all of the above medium, whether it is a novel or movie or internet websites or an email or a news items. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 33. If something is said in error, it must be understood that interpersonal communication is. Your options are irreversible, option B, reversible, option C, forgettable, option D, forgivable. So if something is said in error, it must be understood that interpersonal communication is irreversible. So the correct answer is option A, irreversible. Let's move to the next question. Question number 34. What causes a lot of relevant information to be lost? Your options are option A, flow of information, option B, volume of information, option C, timing of information, option D, accuracy of information. So what causes a lot of relevant information to be lost? So volume of information causes a lot of relevant information to be lost. So the correct answer is option B, volume of information. Let's move to the next question. Question number 35. Dash is the common grapevine chain in an organization. Your options are option A, single thread chain, option B, cluster chain, option C, gossip chain, option D, probability chain. So cluster chain is the common grapevine chain in an organization. The correct answer is option B, cluster chain. Let's move to the next question. Question number 36. Communication means. Your options are option A, transferring or conveying thoughts, views, emotions or information through specific signals and symbols. Option B, telephone, telegram, fax, radio. Option C, radio, TV, cinema. Option D, none of the above. Communication means transferring or conveying thoughts, views, emotions or information through a specific signals and symbols. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 37. The oldest feature agency in India is. Your options are option A, Indian News Feature Alliance, option B, Indian Press Agency, option C, Star Feature Agency, option D, National Press Agency. So the correct answer is Indian News Feature Alliance. National Press Agency. The oldest feature agency in India is National Press Agency. So correct answer is option D, National Press Agency. Let's move to the next question. Question number 38. Which of the following are the characteristics of communication? Your options are option A, understanding a message, option B, communication in a process, option C, transmission of facts, figures and or feelings, option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. It means understanding of message, communication is a process, transmission of facts, figures or feelings are the characteristics of communication. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 39. Dash is included in print media. Your options are option A, books and other printed materials. Option B, magazines only. Option C, newspapers only. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Books and other printed materials, magazines, newspaper, all are included in print media. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question and the last question of today. Question number 40. Which of the following is a reaction of the receiver to sender? Your options are option A, feedback. Option B, coding. Option C, questionnaire. Option D, deciphering. The feedback is the reaction of the receiver to a sender. So the correct answer is option A, feedback. So that's all for today. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for daily classes and latest updates. Thank you. Thank you very much.